Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to set up a Google Drive account for 2025. This process only takes about 5 minutes, and by the end, you will have a brand new account ready for use. Let's begin. First, open your preferred web browser, type Google Drive into the search bar, and press enter. You are now on your way to using one of the most popular cloud storage services, which offers a great way to save files and collaborate with others. Once the search results load, find the link for drive.google.com and click it to go straight to the Google Drive homepage. On this page, you can see what the service offers, but our goal is to get your account started. Look for and click the option that says Use another account. This step is important even if you have never had a Google account before, as it allows you to create a fresh profile. You will then be directed to a sign-in page. Here, click on the Create Account link. Several options will appear. Make sure to select For My Personal Use. This tells Google you are making an individual account rather than one for a business. Next, you will reach a screen asking for your first and last name. Enter your details into these fields accurately, as this name will be tied to your account. Then click Next. The following screen asks for your birthday and gender. This information helps Google set up your profile correctly. Enter these details and hit Next again. Now, you need to choose a Gmail address. This is how people will contact you through Google services. You can select one of the provided options or create your own unique address. Once you have chosen, click Next. That concludes the process of setting up your Google Drive. In just a few simple steps, you have successfully created your account and are ready to explore features like document uploading and real-time collaboration. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and are ready to use your new storage space. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.